Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. Let's start our lesson. Please open your books to page 10.
Excuse me, teacher, which exercise?
Exercise number 2.
Can I read the first sentence?
Yes, please go ahead.
This is a cat.
Very good. Now, who can read the next one?
That is a dog.
Excellent. Let's all repeat together.
This is a cat. That is a dog.
Well done. Any questions?
Yes. What is the homework?
Homework is exercise 3. Don't forget.
Hi, do you want to play?
Yes. What game shall we play?
How about football?
Sounds good. Can I kick first?
Sure, you can start.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Kick the ball.
Here it goes.
Wow, that was a strong kick.
I like kicking the ball.
Let's run and catch it.
Okay, I'm running fast.
Hey, you are really fast.
Thanks. Do you play often?
Yes, I play every weekend.
Great. Let's play together again.
Of course, we are a good team.
Yay! Playground time is the best.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
These breads look delicious. What's your best seller?
Our sourdough bread is very popular. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. Can I get one loaf?
Of course. Anything else?
Those chocolate croissants look tasty.
They are freshly baked this morning.
Perfect. I'll take 2 of them.
Great choice. Would you like a coffee with that?
Yes, 1 cappuccino, please.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Sure. Anything else for you today?
That's all. How much is it?
The total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to my fruit shop.
These apples look very fresh. How much are they?
They are $3 per kilo.
Okay. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else for you?
Yes. How about the bananas?
Bananas are $2 per dozen.
Great. I'll take 1 dozen.
Good choice. Do you need oranges too?
Yes. How much are they?
$4 for a kilo.
I'll take half a kilo only.
No problem. I'll weigh it for you.
Thank you. The fruits look really nice.
Thanks. We always keep them fresh.
Perfect. How much is the total?
It's $9. Here's your bag.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What happened?
I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, it's not far from here.
Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Okay, then turn left or right.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I see. Is it near the bus stop?
Yes, it's just behind the bus stop.
Perfect. How long will it take on foot?
Around 10 minutes.
That's not bad. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you traveling today?
Yes, I have a train this afternoon.
Then you should reach early.
Good idea. I'll go now.
Safe travels.
Hello. Can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for today?
I want to buy a new smartphone.
Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
I think Android. Which one is popular now?
This model is our best seller.
How much is it?
It's $400.
Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, this one is $300.
Looks good. What about the battery life?
It Lasts up to 2 days with normal use.
That's great. Does it have a good camera?
Yes, 48 megapixels with night mode.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Would you like a warranty plan?
Yes, please. 1 year is fine.
All right. Please come to the counter to pay.
Good morning, officer.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I lost my wallet yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where did you lose it?
I think on the bus?
Did it have your ID inside?
Yes, my ID and some cash.
Okay, please fill out this report form.
Sure. Do I need to write everything?
Yes, your name, address, and what was inside the wallet.
All right, here it is.
Thank you. Do you remember the bus number?
Yes, it was bus 15.
That helps. We will contact the bus company.
Great. Thank you for your support.
You're welcome. We'll call you if we find it.
Okay, I'll wait for your call.
Have a good day and stay safe.